Hey everyone, it's Erin Flitto here, and I am here setting up my fall bucket list for 2019. So if you don't know what a bucket list is, it is derived from things you want to do before you kick the bucket. So basically these are things that I want to do before fall kicks the bucket, and I can't do them anymore because there's a certain time of year for things, right? So basically what I've done is I've thought about years in the past. I've thought about what my fiance and I have discussed about doing things for this year, and I went on Pinterest and I looked at some fall bucket lists, and then I compiled a list together and decided to sketch out some little doodles for each of them. I'm gonna try to use color sparingly, but I'll be adding a little bit of color to these. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it, and you'll see what I would like to do this fall. So there you have it for my fall bucket list. Basically, I added a little bit more color than I actually originally intended to, but then I decided that I was going for this like a little bit sketchier look, and so then it was okay that there was a little bit more color than I wanted. But overall, I'm happy with it. I like the sketchy design. I like the imperfect lines because this pen is actually a really old Micron pen. Sorry if you can hear my cat, by the way. This is a really old Micron pen, so the tip is pretty flat, and so it creates like these pretty imperfect lines. So it gets kind of like a little bit of a sketchy child writing type look to it, and I kind of like that because a fall bucket list makes me think of when I was a kid. So basically, I actually have a few of these already done because for fall for me, since I'm not so much removed from college, begins whenever the semester starts. So that basically means fall begins when college football starts for me. So go to a college football game, I have actually done. Buy my fall candles, I have actually done. Going apple picking, I think my fiance and I are going when we go camping at the end of this month. And then I have baked cookies on here, have apple cider, which we'll probably get from the apple picking place. Watch Hocus Pocus, which I don't know if I want to admit this online because I think I'm going to get some hate mail or some hate comments, I guess, from it. But I have actually never watched Hocus Pocus. Not in full. I've watched like a couple clips here and there that people share online and things like that, but I have this thing with overhyped movies and getting nervous to watch them unless I'm part of the overhyping community, aka Harry Potter. So I've actually never seen Hocus Pocus, so I think I'm gonna finally do that this year, so I added it to my fall bucket list. Decorate for fall. If you are from Florida or from the South, most of you know that it is a perpetual summer. You get like a couple days of like maybe fall, maybe spring. One day of winter is like 50 degrees. So I'm always done with summer the second it starts. So I decorated for fall pretty early this year. Make s'mores, which we'll do that when we go camping. Letter on a leaf. It's something that I do every year. My fiance got a bread maker at some garage sale. I don't know if it actually works, but I really would like to make bread from a bread maker. If not, I can always do it from a bread pan. But I would like to make like some pumpkin bread, banana bread, things like that. Banana bread is my bread and butter, no pun intended. Do a puzzle, which my fiance and I like to do a lot. Make hot cocoa from scratch is also on here. And then visit a pumpkin patch, which the apple picking place that we're planning to go to also has a pumpkin patch. So I think that'll be a 2-for-1 deal. So I'm really excited for fall. I just wish there were a place that were fall all year round. If you live in that place, let me know because I want to move there. And so I hope you guys like my fall bucket list. In the comments below, please tell me what is on your fall bucket list. Do you have any of the same things that I have on here? What other things do you have? Are there family things that you'd like to do, like going on a hayride or going to a haunted house or something like that? Let me know in the comments below. I'm really interested to hear what you all are doing this fall. And if you live in the Southern Hemisphere, sorry, it's not fall for you, but what did you maybe do this past fall that you really liked? So if you like this type of video, please like, subscribe, notification bell, all that kind of jazz, and I will see you on Monday. Bye, everyone.